Today I'll show you how you can remove a vehicle on GEICO. To remove a vehicle online, you want to log into your GEICO account. From there you want to click on the Policyholder Services tab, and then under Vehicles you want to click on the vehicle that you want to remove. You then want to select the Remove Vehicle button. You then have to follow the instructions in order to complete the removal. To remove a vehicle via phone, you have to call GEICO customer service at 1-800-841-3000. You'll want to provide the representative with your policy number and the vehicle identification number of the vehicle you want to remove. The representative will then walk you through the process of removing the vehicle from your policy. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when removing a vehicle from your GEICO policy. You can remove a vehicle from your policy at any time, but it's usually best to do so before you sell or give away the vehicle. If you remove a vehicle from your policy, your insurance premiums may go down. The exact amount of the decrease will depend on the vehicle's make, model and year. If you're removing a vehicle that is still financed, you may need to contact your lender to get their permission before removing the vehicle from your policy. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to remove a vehicle on GEICO. If you do, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.